Hey, so just wanted to make a little update on the shop. Running Mori very hard. Making some plates. I'm turning them on the LC30. I got some problems with it. It's when I'm turning some close tolerance parts, so the measurements vary. It's doing some very weird stuff. I've been trying to change my programs to always do the same thing. From the test cut, the spring to the final pass, I need to hit within 200ths of a millimeter, so pretty close. But it's sometimes it's moving. I think it's 6 to 7 hundredths of a millimeter from where it should be. So I've been checking to see if got some major wears in the axis, but don't seem too bad. I can measure something about 100 of millimeters, so it shouldn't be that. So I'm a little bit annoyed by it. So, but I'm turning all these. So they got 2 K6 fits. And that's about, I think it's about 2.5 hundredths of a millimeter. So I've scrapped one part because it turned oversized for some reason. Otherwise, pretty busy. I'm very happy with the GMG. This is turned from flame cut material, so I'm having some problems with the chips when drilling and turning. So I've been using way too long to fine-tune the programs to get it running properly, and reliable. So, but I think I've started using the deep hole drilling on the Siemens control. It's drilling 1 millimeter and retracting 1/10 of a millimeter. And doing that, I can keep the chips length down. So otherwise, it would just pack in the drills and not be reliable at all. So. I think next time I have to make 80 of these a year, maybe more. So I'll be trying to get next time I'll see if I can get some prices on them, some saw cut shaft. See how much more expensive it is, and maybe just drill the center out. It's 140 millimeters hole in, so I thought maybe if that material was cut I would save some time, but I think the time drilling the hole is not saved because I have to struggle with the long chips. So anyways, I'll just I've been slowly putting tools in my Mori. I've only got like 17 tools, so I got room for 60. So I bought a lot of holders, so I'll slowly be putting more and more in the machine. So that was a little update from the shop. So I'll see you next time. Bye.